Beautiful jangla designs all over the body. Lovely floral designs. Palm leaf and the diamond shaped motif together work very nicely. It's got beautiful elliptical floral motifs all over running. Both sides of the center panel, this side and this side, you have these lovely folklore motifs enclosed in this elliptical shape, which is similar to the border. The square shaped or rectangular jali, which is what this design is. Beautiful trellis design. Lovely large floral motifs in the pallu. Very nice, very sweet paisley booties, and both the borders have got this elliptical shape folk clover motifs, both on the top and the bottom. Large floral booties. So it's a slightly bold Banarasi sari. Folk clovers all over, beautiful pallu. Folk clovers, a diamond encasing. One thing is this sari has got actually a platinum gold zari. All the other saris in the collection have got silver zari. Come closer, you have lovely floral motifs which are forming the jali. Beautiful large palm leaf finish. It's like a bunch of flowers hanging on a tree or a garden. And of course the silver zari gives it very exclusive feel. Georgette is a lovely light and sheer fabric made from crepe silk. Georgette has been part of the fashion scenario worldwide, internationally, for various finely made fabrics, dresses, anything which needs to have a very light, drapey and lustrous look is what Georgette is used for. Banarasi, and Banaras is a place where is the origin of the Banarasi silk saree, has its own unique characteristic designs which originated from the town of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, and it's got a very fabulous collection of very traditional and lovely designs. Hello Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today in the Avishya Saree Story series, I'm going to be talking about a wonderful combination of two different things. There's a fabulous fabric called Georgette silk, which has got a rich tradition history, and the wonderful Banarasi design, both of which come together in this fabulous collection of Banarasi Georgette sarees. We've specially put together this collection for you, and our weavers have brought together the goodness of Georgette, the beauty and the lightness, sheerness and the lovely finish and lustrousness of Georgette. They've combined it with the beauty of the traditional Banarasi design to bring together a collection which is really exclusive. And what's more, this festive season at Avishya, we actually have a fabulous offer going on this collection as well. So let's start with the first one. Wow, this is an awesome, beautiful, lovely purple Banarasi Georgette saree. I'll just open it out for you. See what the body looks like, and then you can see what the pallu looks like. Beautiful saree. The body has got lovely, beautiful jangla designs all over the body. Lovely floral designs, beautiful leaves and floral work in silver zari, beautiful silver zari, and the borders have got fabulous diamond shaped designs with the folk clover motifs inside. Beautiful traditional circular motifs, rectangular motifs, all of that in rows on the border on both sides. Fabulous design, and the floral design of the body. The jangla looks beautiful, and of course the fabric is a lovely drape. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Nice, beautiful pallu with lovely, beautiful leaf, lovely palm leaf motifs on the pallu, beautifully woven together with another type of floral motif in the center. Lovely diamond shaped floral motif. So the palm leaf and the diamond shaped motif together work very nicely, and on all sides of it's framed by this beautiful similar pattern which you see in the border, which is the diamond designs and the circular motifs and the another irregular rhombus motifs which are there. This is there on both sides, this side and that side. That's framing this lovely pallu, and the top and bottom of course is the same motif, the diamond and the rhombus which is there in the border. So it's a lovely finish, and the color is so beautiful, gorgeous color. It's a slightly dark lilac. You can call it a dark lilac or you can call it a light purple. So it's a beautiful color, and it goes so well with this silver zari. And let's take a look at what the blouse looks like. Blouse is a beautiful, the same, the lilac, dark lilac or the light purple color of the sari, the same color. It's matched beautifully, and also at the end the blouse has got this lovely bit, this strip of the border is there in the blouse also. So as you can see on one side there's a full strip of this which can be used for decorating the sleeve or the back. So it's fabulously finished. Blouse, the sari and the pallu, they make a lovely combination together, and I'm sure you'll enjoy draping and wearing this saree. It's a fabulous, it's very exclusive. The color is also, because of the nature of the color, it's a sorbet color. It's a lovely sorbet color, and with a silver zari, it's got a really exclusive look. Next, we'll move on to this lovely bright canary yellow Banarasi Georgette saree. Wow, nice color, and is a beautiful jali design all over, which is a classic Banarasi design. As I told you, the way they've put together the beauty of Georgette And the beauty of Banarasi designs is awesome. Lovely jali design all over in silver zari. And if you see the border of this one has got beautiful elliptical floral motifs all over, running all over the border, left to right. And there are some traditional triangles and diamond shaped motifs on top and bottom, sandwiching the beautiful elliptical shaped floral motifs. Of course, the body itself is a lovely jali of beautiful floral motifs. Again, it's not a straight line jali. It's lovely. If you come closer, you can see the intricate, lovely floral motifs which have been woven in the form of a jali design. It's really nice. And if you see the pallu has got lovely, beautiful palm leaves, beautiful formation of palm leaves with a little bit of greenery and foliage. It's interspersed between the palm leaves. And on both sides of the center panel, this side and this side, you have these lovely folklore motifs enclosed in this elliptical shape, which is similar to the border. So overall, it's a beautifully designed sari. Let's take a look at what the blouse looks like. Yes, lovely, beautiful blouse, lovely yellow blouse. And as you can see, there's a long strip of the same as the border. There's similar strip, silver zari strip is here. It can be used to decorate the sleeves or the back. So overall, the way it looks together with the sari will be like this. Lovely. You can see the blouse and the sari go beautifully together. And it's a fabulously bright, really, really nice, bright and beautiful, cheerful canary yellow. Next word is beautiful. Lovely. It's a grayish blue. It's a beautiful blue. This Banarasi Georgette saree, and the design is really, really special. It's a nice, lovely, really, really pretty, fabulous, and it's got these square shaped or rectangular jali, which is what this design is. Beautiful trellis design, and the cross, the weaves have got beautiful floral patterns here. All the bands have got beautiful. The rectangular bands have got beautiful floral motifs, and there's a nice, beautiful Rudraksham circular booty in the center. Lovely Rudraksh booty in the center of the square. So it gives it a very nice look. Looks very pretty. And of course, the borders have got beautiful, lovely elliptical shaped diamonds, is what I can say, because it's not sharply finished as a diamond shape, but it's an elliptical diamond. It's very exclusive. Again, you see this a lot in Banarasi. And of course, between that and the sari itself, it's a long line of Jangla motifs all along the border. Lovely line of Jangla motifs. So it looks very pretty. Very, very pretty. You see the detailing. It's really nice. And even here, when it's connected to the body, between the the main panel and this Jangla design, there's this lovely series of square booties, tiny square booties. So detailing is really nice, and the weaving is very skillful. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, beautiful, nice. Pallu is really, really nice. I'll open it out properly for you. Yeah, lovely pallu. It's a really, really fabulous, exquisite pallu. Lovely, large floral motifs in the pallu, and which goes very nicely along with the rectangular. So the geometric nature of the body, it's contrasting very nicely with the floral pallu, and it's encased all around. It's framed all around with lovely diamond motifs and floral motifs all around. So it's beautiful, and the silver zari, of course, glistens in the background, and this grayish blue is really, really nice. Overall, it's got a very rich and very exclusive look. Take a look at how the blouse matches with this. Nice, very nice, beautiful. The same lovely grayish blue color, and of course, the blouse has got this band of zari, silver zari, which is a similar pattern to the border of the sari. Overall, this is how the sari would look along with the blouse. It's a fabulously designed sari, very exquisite, very exclusive, very, very elegant. Now we look at this beautiful coral orange Banarasi Georgette sari. I'll just open it out for you. See what the sari looks like. Another body, a beautiful, lovely body with very nice, very sweet paisley booties all over the body. It's beautiful, lovely paisley booties all over the body, and both the borders have got this elliptical shape, folklore motifs both on the top and the bottom, and framed by, of course, lovely diamond motifs. Right at the very edge, you have these diamond motifs. So it's really, really nice, beautifully designed Banarasi sari. And the way Banarasi and the designs have been combined with this lovely Georgette material is so nice. It falls so well. On my hand, I'm just holding it all so well. Let's take a look at the pallu of the sari. I'll open it out for you and see how it goes. Yes, beautiful, lovely, fabulous pallu with lovely palm leaves, and there is a overall floral impact. The palm leaf is coming within another large leaf, multi-layer leaf. So overall, it's got a very, very nice effect. And of course, the elliptical shaped motifs of the border are repeating itself on both the right side and the left side. Overall, the silver zari gives it a very nice sheen, and again, silver zari works beautifully with this coral orange of the body and the coral orange of the base. The base is a coral orange, of course, and on which the weaving weaving of the silver zari is done. So it looks very, very exclusive. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Awesome. Really nice. Blouse looks really nice. The color is beautiful and the fabric, you really must touch and experience this fabric. Georgette is so lovely, and the base crepe silk, it's got the crinkly effect, which is the result of this. The weaving, which is done with S and Z yarns in the weaving, both in the warp and the weft. The S and Z yarns, the way they're twisted together and woven, that's what gives it this beautiful crinkly effect in crepe and in Georgette. So it's a lovely finish, beautifully sheer, and the feel of the fabric is so nice. It's fabulous. So it's a fabulous saree, and as you can see, it goes very nicely together. The blouse, the pallu, and the saree. Overall, the design is just fabulous. Fabulous. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful, nice, dusky pink Banarasi Georgette saree. I'll open it out for you. Yes, nice. Really pretty. It's a very different shade of pink. It's very dusky. It's got a tinge of magenta as well, and maybe a very light tinge of orange as well. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. And large floral booties. So it's a slightly bold Banarasi saree, and a little different from the others in the collection. It's very, very nice. Both the borders have got lovely diamond motifs, and inside the diamond motif, there's a lovely floral, tiny little floral motif inside the diamond motif. If you come closer, you can see it's beautiful, and it sets off very nicely against the large booties, floral booties in the body itself. The body is full of these lovely large flowers. Beautiful design. And let's see what the pallu looks like. Wow, nice, very nice, gorgeous 4 clovers all over, beautiful pallu, 4 clovers and a diamond encasing, and all the way inside the 4 clover you have another diamond. So it's lovely, it's beautifully designed, and both sides of the center panel you have lovely diamond motifs on all sides, and of course it's framed on top and bottom by the same pallu. So overall, it's the way it goes with the saree. This is how it will look. I'll also open out the blouse for you. The blouse is beautiful, slightly dusky pink. I would say some pink with a magenta tinge. So this is how it is. And the blouse also has this lovely strip of zari. And overall, this is one thing is this saree has got actually a platinum gold zari. All the other sarees in the collection have got silver zari. This is a little exclusive. It's got a platinum gold zari. Got a more traditional look compared to the others. So this is how this collection works. The blouse, the pallu, and the saree. I hope you enjoyed this. So let's move on to the next one. Wow, nice, beautiful blue. This is a lovely blue. I'll just open it out for you. Gorgeous, and it's got a nice jali design, diamond shaped jali design, and see it come closer, you have lovely floral motifs which are forming the jali. It's really, really nice. And on the top and the bottom there's lovely elliptical floral motifs. Beautiful, it's grouped together in elliptical rows beautifully, and on top and bottom of the border you have this edging in diamond motifs. That again, if you come closer, you'll have a look. It's beautiful the way it's been designed, and the color is fabulous. It's a lovely blue. It's somewhere between a powder blue and an aqua blue, but it's really, really nice. It's fabulous. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, nice, beautiful, large palm leaf finish. There's a tiny palm leaf in the center, around which there is encircled by a series of foliage, and overall it's got that man shape, so it's very nice. And on both sides of the center panel you have the lovely elliptical shaped 4 clover motifs which are there in the border, which are there here also as well to give it continuity. And overall the impact is very, very nice, and the silver zari of course really shines. Let's see what the blouse looks like. I'll open it out for you. Yes, the blouse is really stunning, so I'll just show you how it looks. Lovely. The blouse is beautiful, the same beautiful blue. It's a lovely combination. It's a beautiful aqua or cerulean blue, I must say. It's really, really nice, and it goes well with the pallu and the body of the saree itself. It looks very pretty. So this is how the whole thing would look. The body, the pallu, and the blouse. It's a fabulous collection. It's really, really nice, and kudos to the designer for putting this design and the colors together. Wow. Last but not the least, it is fabulous, very exclusive nutmeg brown. Beautiful color, beautiful nutmeg brown. It's really, really nice. This is the body of the saree. Lovely floral motifs all around. Lovely. It's like a bunch of flowers hanging on a tree or a garden. Beautiful silver zari floral motifs all over. The top and the bottom have got lovely combination of diamond and zigzag rhombus motifs. Beautiful geometric motifs in the border, and the lovely floral. It's a rush of floral motifs in the center, so it's really nice. The combination coming off very, very well. And of course the silver zari gives it very, very exclusive feel, and the background color, it's really awesome. You must check out this color in person. It's a beautiful nutmeg brown. I'll open it out and show you what the pallu looks like. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous. Pallu got lovely pointed palm leaf motifs all over the pallu, and it's interspersed with this lovely tiny little diamond shaped floral motifs. So this is alternating with the palm leaf motif, 2 rows alternating with each other, and on both sides framed with this similar, the diamond shape and the rudraksham and the the uneven rhombus shapes. So it's very geometrical. The frame on both sides, center panel is this palm leaf motif. Overall, it has a very classy look. The color is just stunning. The nutmeg brown is something really special. You must see it to appreciate this color. Let's see what the blouse. I'm sure it's a nutmeg brown. Yes, beautiful. It's beautiful nutmeg brown, and I'm sure it has some. Yes, it has some extra. This got this beautiful strip of silver zari, the blouse material, lovely silver strip, which can be used to decorate the sleeves of the back. So overall, it's got a very classy look. Blouse, the pallu, and the way the body of the sari goes to the blouse is very nice. This is how it would look, the blouse and the sari. It's a very classy combination, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting this together for you. Georgette is such a special fabric, given that it's made from pure silk, and it's a very special weave. And the way our Banarasi weavers have combined Banarasi designs, both the traditional designs and the modern designs together to get this lovely, put this lovely collection together is something really special. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and definitely click on the bell icon so that you keep getting intimations about videos from us. And I have some very good news for you. For this festive season alone, for this special period of the festive season Thanksgiving sale, we have a very special offer. We have a 30% off on our entire Banarasi Georgette collection. Please do avail of it. You can't get these exclusive sarees at these prices anymore after that. So please do subscribe and also make use of this collection. For those of you who want to have a closer look at this saree, touch, feel, drape these sarees, check out. There are multiple colors that we have. As I said, nutmeg browns, we have beautiful blues, we have lovely grays, we have lovely combination of colors. Those of you who want to touch, feel, and drape the saree, come out to the store. Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. You can come here and at leisure. We'll be very happy to show all these sarees to you. You can touch, feel, drape these sarees and pick up one that you like. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available online. We have lovely, very friendly customer service staff, real people, not bots, online, who will be able to help you answer your queries and complete your purchase itself online without any problem, or completely hassle-free experience. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And I want to tell you that we really want to hear from you. We love it when you write to us and say you like this or you don't like this. We really want to get your feedback and your comments. Please do enter your comments in the comments section below, and we'll be very happy to answer all your queries and be in touch with you. Thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.